Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your iPhone or iPad a little more unique and personal, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set a video wallpaper on iOS 17 or 18 without jailbreaking your device. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive right in. First, prepare a video that you want to create or customize as a wallpaper. Make sure the video is approximately 5 or 6 seconds long and contains a maximum of 300 frames to be used as a live wallpaper. Then, send the video to your computer to make the video as wallpaper. You need a Windows or Mac computer for this process. To make the video a wallpaper on your device, you need the help of the Nugget app to apply it to your iPhone or iPad. The latest version of Nugget now supports videos and making them as wallpapers. I will insert the link of Nugget app on description. Then install and download the latest version of the Nugget app. For example, I will try to use Nugget on a Windows computer to make a video as a wallpaper on my iPhone. After downloaded the Nugget app, you need to extract the file first. To run Nugget, you must first install iTunes on Windows. If you are using Mac, you do not need iTunes to run Nugget app. You can download the iTunes on Microsoft Store, or you can download it manually from Apple official website. I insert the link on description as well. Then connect your device to computer via USB cable. Then go to poster board section and enable it. Go to Live tab to let you upload the video as wallpaper. Don't forget to send the video from your iPhone to computer. You can send it via email or any transfer file to your computer. And select the video you want to make as wallpaper that you have sent to your computer. You can add reverse on loop feature and hide clock if you need it. Before applying, you must first turn off Find My iPhone on your device to complete this process, and you can reactivate it after the wallpaper is successfully installed. Then go to Apply section and click Apply Changes. Wait for the process to complete. If the process fails, it means you have to cut the video by about 5 or 6 seconds. Your device will reboot automatically. Then you will see the hello screen. Don't worry, wait a few moments because the hello screen will disappear automatically. To select the video wallpaper, you can change your wallpaper from the lock screen. On the lock screen, touch and hold your lock screen to open your wallpaper gallery. Slide right and tap the Add button. Check it out your video wallpaper under Collections. If you can't see the video wallpaper under Collections, you need to restart your device so available on Collection Wallpaper. Select that, and now you have successfully made the video as wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad without jailbreak. You can add up to 10 video wallpapers to make them live wallpapers on your iPhone or iPad using this Nugget app. And that's it! You've now got a video wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad, no jailbreak required. How cool is that? Let me know in the comments if you found this tutorial helpful or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.